So this question is a short question. We have taken some very long sentences, some paragraphs which had many sentences, but don't go by the size or by the shortness of the passage. Here, you must first have a look at. You must first throw a glance and spend 4 5 seconds just scanning the question. A says, of the development of Hindu mathematics, we know but little. We know only little. We know accept little. This is what it means here. A few manuscripts bear testimony that the Indians had climbed to a lofty height. But so we know little, and it says here a few manuscripts bear testimony that they. So basically, we know, and then B says what we know. So again, you must learn to connect ideas logically. A says basically we know little, and B says that what is the source of that whatever we know little, right? So AB again seems to be good correct. It would seem that Greek mathematics grew up under more favorable conditions than the Hindu. Uh, for in Greece, it attained an independent existence and was studied for its own sake, while Hindu mathematics always remained merely a servant to astronomy. Furthermore, right? So this furthermore connects with C. You might feel like even C can start the paragraph, even A can start the paragraph, but uh, furthermore will definitely go with D. So C and D will definitely be a link. Whether C starts a paragraph or not, it's a different thing, but C, D will be a link. Why? Because the word furthermore connects with C. Furthermore, in Greece, mathematics was a science of the people, free to be cultivated by all who had a liking for it. In India, as in Egypt, it was in the hands of the priests. So, what do we have basically? Basically, we have uh, basically A and B is one unit and C and D is the other unit. This is a typical case of parajumbles where you have one unit A and B. You can take them as one independent unit, and C and D are the two other units. So you can say, can we have CDAB with the first unit being CD and the other being AB, or can we have ABCD, the first being AB, the other being CD? Now, if you logically understand, AB is a broader idea. Why it's a broader idea? Because it speaks broadly about what we know about Hindu mathematics. And then it speaks basically about characteristics of Hindu mathematics, which we can learn from basically the few manuscripts of the development of Hindu mathematics. We know but little. So Hindu mathematics, as such, has become the broader idea. And understand, you must keep a broad idea first, after followed by the specific idea. So the author says we know but little, and then he says what we know. So it's better to say that yes, I know very little of this, and this is what I know. So AB logically, because it introduces whatever we know about Hindu mathematics, and it says that we know but little. And then he says what we know. So he says, of the development of Hindu mathematics, we know but little. A few manuscripts bear testimony that Indians had climbed to a lofty height, but their path but their path is no longer traceable. It would seem that Greek mathematics grew up under more favorable conditions than the Hindu mathematics. So basically, that's why he says it would seem. Why it would seem? Because the path is no longer traceable. That's why he's saying the path is no more traceable, and therefore he's saying not with a great degree of certainty. What you When you look at statement C, it lacks in conviction, it lacks in certainty, it lacks in confidence. Why? Because their path of ascent is no longer traceable. So ABCD is the logical link and the right answer. A short question, but a difficult question, I would say.